The figure 8 loop knot, in my opinion, is the best way to tie a loop in your line. Let's get started. The first step is to double up approximately 6 inches of line, keeping both strands together. Form a loop with these doubled up strands, give them a half turn and hold in place. Now pass the main loop through the loop in a doubled up line and begin to pull the knot together. Here is a close-up of how the knot should look before you pull it tight. Continue to pull the knot together, but don't pull it tight just yet. Wet the line and then pull to fully tighten the knot. Take a pair of scissors and cut off the remaining tail end. And there you have it. That is the figure 8 loop knot. To tie this loop using a loop tyer, loop some line over your index finger and hook the loop tyer underneath. Now rotate the loop tyer one full rotation, place the end of the loop in the mouth of the loop tyer and slowly begin to pull the knot tight. At this point you once again moisten the line. You now slowly pull the finished loop over the front of the loop tyer and pull tight. You can now unhook the finished loop from the loop tyer. You can attach the loop on a hook length to a loop on your main line by doing the following. Pass your mainline loop through your hook length loop, then you get the end of your hook length, pass that through your mainline loop and slowly begin to pull both loops together, making sure they look symmetrical like this. Make sure one loop does not lasso around the other. This will form a weaker connection and is more likely to break under strain. You can easily attach a swivel to the end of a loop by simply passing the loop through the eye of the swivel, then pass the loop over the body of the swivel before pulling tight and lassoing the line around the eye. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.